Despite being heavily marketed for its gaming capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series appears to underperform in a real-world gaming test with Genshin Impact. This is despite the boosted Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipsets that were promoted for their improved gaming prowess. At the beginning of this month, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra was introduced with a special edition of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This version includes a Cortex-X 3 Prime core that has been accelerated from the standard 3.2 GHz to 3.36 GHz. Despite the impressive CPU benchmark scores that have resulted from this upgrade, it seems that the new Samsung flagship phones may still struggle with gaming performance. Based on testing conducted by Golden Reviewer on the popular game Genshin Impact, the Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to have performed poorly, with results that are worse than other phones equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipsets, and only slightly better than devices with last-gen Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chips. The phone achieved an average of only 55 FPS, which is noticeably lower than the Xiaomi 13 Pro, which averaged 59.4 FPS. To put this in perspective, even the Xiaomi 12T Pro, which is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, achieved an average of 59.2 FPS in the same test. During testing, the Galaxy S23 Ultra had an average power draw of 6.4 watt, which is higher than both the Xiaomi 13 Pro and the Xiaomi 12T Pro, which drew 5.5 watt and 5.8 watt respectively. Additionally, the Galaxy S23 Ultra also had a higher temperature than both Xiaomi phones, with a temperature of 43.6 degrees Celsius, compared to 39.3 degrees Celsius for the Xiaomi 13 Pro and 41.5 degrees Celsius for the 12T Pro. It's worth noting that these results were not solely due to Xiaomi's engineering prowess, as the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, which is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, achieved an average frame rate of 58.4 FPS during the test with a power draw of 5.2 watt and a temperature of 39.1 degrees Celsius. It's possible that the Galaxy S23 Ultra may not be optimized for Genshin Impact at the moment, as these units are still running early software. However, the test results do not paint a flattering picture of the flagship phone and its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. We will continue to keep you informed of any updates or developments regarding this matter. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.